Hello there, welcome to another video about AI solutions. In this one, what I'm going to do is go right back to the basics and show you Google Workspace, which is a cloud-based productivity suite designed to help teams connect, create and collaborate from any device. It combines popular apps like Gmail, which is your email, Google Docs, which is similar to Microsoft Word, Google Drive, which is your cloud storage, Google Meet, which is your video conferencing tool similar to Zoom and Teams, into a single integrated platform, provided professional custom email, so you can create your own business emails and those enhanced security tools, because everything you do is saved into your Google storage. It's absolutely fantastic. But before I do continue, please do like, please do subscribe, please share. So I've got my web browser opened up here, which is Google Chrome, and the first thing you need to do to access the apps within Google Workspace is have a Google account. So the top right hand corner, you can see I've logged in to my Google account using my RA Solutions Google account. So I've got access to Google Workspace already. To access the apps within Google Workspace, you click on this tool here, this grid looking icon, which will give you the ability to access all the different apps within Google Workspace. So you can see my cloud storage is there, Google Drive, where I can save all my files onto the cloud without having to worry about wasting or using up space locally on my device. I've got access to my emails. You can even create your own YouTube channel because YouTube is owned by Google. You got access to Gemini, which is Google's own AI generative tool. You got Google Maps, Search, Calendar, and down here you've got the equivalent here, Google Docs, which is the equivalent to Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, equivalent to Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, Google Slide, which is a presentation package allowing you to create presentations like PowerPoint. If you scroll down further, you've got lots of different tools, abilities of different things to create. Google Notebook LM is a fantastic AI tool. Check it out, got another video on that. Google Tasks allow you to prioritize your tasks there. So the one I'm going to focus on today in today's video, because we're going back to the basics, is this one here, Google Docs, which is the equivalent to Microsoft Word, is your word processor. So if I click on Google Docs, it will open up the Docs app within your web browser. So you don't need to download, install a separate app on your device. You can access Google Docs anywhere as long as you've got access to the internet, as long as you've got access, or you can log into your Google account. You can access Google Docs from anywhere in the world. So when you open up Google Docs, you can see here this screen. It will ask you, do you want to start from a new document? You can click on start from a new document, or you can use the already built-in templates. You can create a brochure, resume, letter, proposal, project proposal, report. You got this template gallery option here. If I click on that, it will expand, so you can see all the different sections and all the different templates you can create within Google Docs. Another good feature of Google Docs is, let's for example say at work you've created a Word document, you don't have access to the app, or you don't have access to 365. So for example, these are recent Word documents I created. Down here you can see this one here. If I click on that one, that was to do with AI. If I click on that, that will open up that Word document within your Google Docs app. So you can continue editing this document within Google Docs. But the only thing I would say when coming to save this document, let's say you want to save it or you want other people to access it, you've got the ability in Google Docs to share this document in the top right hand corner. At the moment, the access is only set, or the permissions are only set privately to me, but you can change that, copy the link and send that to your colleagues. Click on the share icon, change the access of that document to anybody with a link. Click on that, click on copy link, then share that link so they can get access to this document here within Google Docs. But the other thing, let's say you made some changes to this document and you want to then share that Word document to somebody else. The thing you need to do within Google Docs is go to File. Instead of clicking on Save as Google Docs here, which is the default option, you've got an option here to download. Once you made those changes, you can click on Download and choose Microsoft Word. That will save or download that document as a Word document. Then you have the ability to send that Word document to colleagues so they can open up that document as a Word document. You can even download it as a PDF, open document format, plain text, rich text format, web page, so on and so forth. Yeah, but there's another cool feature within Google Docs, very similar to Microsoft Word. There's a version history option. So if you've made a mistake or if you made some changes, you can revert back to a previous version. But key thing is keep saving that document as version 1, version 2 with those naming conventions, and which is really important. And this is already integrated within Google Drive, so anything you do within Google Docs is automatically saved within your Google Drive. So again, that is the benefits of this Google Workspace. You can even email this document, email this file, email the draft. You can share the link with others, publish it to the web. You can make a copy of the document here. And there's lots of other things you can do within this Google Docs application. You can change the language down here. You can print within Google Docs. You can change the page setup here as well. But there's lots of other things you can do within Google Docs. And that's just a very quick and easy video just to show you how to get started within Google Workspace. But in this specific video, I've shown you a quick start guide on how to get started within Google Docs. And if I finish with this document and I wanted to go back to the previous screen, there's a couple of ways to do that. You can either go back to the main Google Docs screen. Let's say you want to work on this template here, you can do that. Click on brochure, it will open up the brochure template within Google Docs, and then what you can do is change what you need to change here, edit it to your heart's content, and then the same process applies. But if you can see here, top right hand corner, you got other options. You can join a call within Google Meet, which is embedded into this Google Workspace app, and present this tab to others in the call, which is a really nifty feature, trying to make it easy for you to use this. You can also add comments, show all comments, especially if collaboratively you're all working on the same document and people are making those suggestions. But here this will give you when that document was last edited. And this one is a really nifty feature, is obviously you can edit the document, you can change the settings so people can just view the document, so on and so forth. So yeah, check it out, Google Workspace, Google Docs. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.